I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your Epic account is a great way to enhance your security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Epic account. Go to the Epic Games website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you have access to your email or mobile device for verification. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Password and Security section, find the two-factor authentication option. Click on the toggle to enable it. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You can choose between using an authenticator app or receiving codes via email. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Quick gotcha: if you choose the authenticator app, make sure to scan the QR code quickly before it expires. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your preferred 2FA method, confirm the changes and save your settings. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that 2FA is now active. Now you're all set. Enjoy the added security on your Epic account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.